Hi guys, my name is Carissa. This is my YouTube channel, and for some reason today I'm feeling completely out of touch with my purpose in the universe. So you're gonna sit through that with me. Outside of my existential dread, I am going to be doing a Torrid haul in this video. I don't shop at Torrid super often anymore, and now I feel like when I do, I just really go overboard. So I figured I would show you guys everything that I got. I asked on Instagram yesterday if you wanted to see a haul. Even though I have this beautiful dress that is already sold out from Torrid, I am gonna show it to you guys because it is magical. Let's just jump right in and see if doing this video can maybe make me feel like I have purpose in this life. I'm not sure. I don't know that that's gonna work, but we're gonna try. So the first thing that I got is a new pair of Cutoff shorts. I generally wear a size 26, 28. In Torrid, I almost always buy my bottoms in a size 28, and then my tops and my dresses in anywhere from a size 3 to a size 5. Something that I know about myself is that I would rather be pulling up my shorts all day long rather than having them feel too tight. I do like the kind of loose cutoff short look, so I actually ordered these in a size 30. I think that in the size 30 they are absolutely perfect on me. They feel like very stretchy and comfortable. I don't feel like they're going to be so big that like when I sit down you'll be able to see my crotch or anything. I know that some people feel weird about like sizing up when you're already plus size, and I guess I just think like wear what's comfortable to you. I really don't give a shit if I'm a size 24 or a size 30 in something. I want my clothes to be comfortable and look how I want them to look on my body. I get a lot of comments on here saying that like I order things too small or something, like my shirts are too small, but that's how I like for it to look on my body, so that's why I order it in those sizes. I got one other pair of shorts. They are just like a kind of gauzy material. They have lining in them. I thought these would just be fun with like a white crop top. They're super loose, so they almost look like a skirt or something. I feel like for several years I didn't wear shorts at all, and I'm not really sure why. I think maybe I thought that like if I wore them I'd be tugging on my inner thighs too often, but anymore I feel like shorts are really comfortable on me, and I feel like I can do what I need to do in them. I can go play with my niece, I can be outside, I can sit down, I can roll around, so I'm into shorts this season. I got two dresses. One of them is the one that sold out. Super bummer. I'm sorry about that. This dress is gorgeous. I ordered it in a size 5. I oftentimes order things in a size 4 if I'm ordering a dress, and I would recommend sizing up in this dress. The arms are just a little bit snug since it is a gauze material. If they bring it back in stock, you might want to consider sizing up in it. It is beautiful. I took a bunch of pictures in it. I feel like a flippin' hippie goddess in this. I want to wear it everywhere. I know that a lot of people don't like light colored clothes because they're afraid they're gonna stain them or something. I am the opposite. I feel like light colored clothes I can bleach, and I just feel ethereal in light colored clothes all the time. That's like my thing. I want to wear white and cream for the rest of my life. The other dress that I got is a swim cover up, and I just thought that since it was like a gauze and a thin kind of material, I would enjoy it for all the swimming that I'm inevitably gonna be doing this summer. I did wear it out of the house as a actual dress the other day. You could barely see my underwear through it, so don't recommend it as a total dress unless you're gonna wear like a slip or something underneath it, or if you want to go for that look where you can see your underwear under your clothes. I think that that is really cool and chic as well. Okay, so you guys remember how I told you that I sized up on a lot of things. I also sized up on a pair of boyfriend jeans. I'm not sure why. I just decided that I want a pair of kind of loose baggy jeans. So I decided I was gonna get these really cute jeans in size 30, and they are amazing. They are my comfort dreams. Torrid does a really good job on jeans. I prefer their premium denim styles over any kind of other denim styles that they have, but I really got to give it to them. They're the only place I really want to wear jeans from. There have been a few contenders lately. I really like slink jeans, but still slink jeans don't come up quite high enough on me, and I do prefer like the Torrid cut. Trying to think if there's James jeans are really, really great, but they're like $200. So I just think Torrid makes a good quality pair of denim that I know I can like consistently go and get the size size and the color and the wash that I want. I also got a pair of overalls. I have been living in these overalls. I have worn them all over town. I am obsessed with them. I also ordered these in a size 30 because I just don't want my overalls to be tight on me. My grandpa used to wear overalls like every single day, and as he got older, he wore his overalls without a shirt. So I have a special place in my heart for overalls, and I always imagine myself like wearing them out in the summer with just like a bikini on underneath and channeling my grandpa Al. These are comfy and they fit so perfectly. A lot of times when I sit down in overalls, like they like cut my butt crack, or I feel like the pins on them are gonna like snap off or something, but they're long enough for my torso since I sized up, and they are just very comfy. They have just the right amount of stretch, but they don't really look like stretch denim, if you know what I mean. So they look like a true hardy pair of grandpa overalls. So we also ordered some stuff for my partner Jay, but I have not introduced you guys to Jay yet on this channel, and I wanted to like show the jeans we got them, and we got them a couple pairs of like cropped joggers. We also got them some swimsuit bottoms because they were looking for kind of more like gender neutral, just black shorts for swimsuit bottoms. But like I said, I haven't introduced them to you guys. So I'm wondering if you guys would like some kind of like tag video where I did like an intro to Jay. I don't know, is that too soon? Do you guys feel like it's still raw? Do you guys want to like stay in this rawness of me getting divorced for a minute before I introduce you to a new person? That's okay, you can tell me, that's fine. But anyway, I'd like to introduce them to you. That way I can show you the things that we get for them when I do some online shopping. If you're interested in meeting them via a YouTube video, let me know and we will do a little video for you guys. That's everything that I got in this haul. Torrid Denim is winning right now. I really feel a very strong, tender love towards my Torrid Denim right now. I'm very, very into it. If you guys have any places that you want me to check out, or if you'd like to see a video of me introducing my partner Jay, please leave a comment below and let me know. Until next time, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that you can see every time I post a new video. I'm trying to do it on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you guys. Hold me to that. Get on Twitter, follow me at Fat Girl Freedom, and remind me to post a damn video every week. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.